morning students. As we have discussed this chapter through videos and on the Zoom also we have discussed so many question answers. Now I am discussing again through video and I will send you pics of this chapter so that you can see the pics and complete your classwork copy. Okay. So on page 49 question answers and exercises are given, and word meaning I will select 5 or 6 and I will frame sentences on that. You will get through pics also. Okay. Now on page 49 we have question answers. Comprehension. A1. Complete the following sentences in your own words. You can frame your own sentences also. I am telling my sentences, and this A1 and A2 you have to do in your notebook copy. Okay. First, chapter name. If you can draw the drawing of page 48, it's okay, not compulsory. Then word meaning, frame sentences with word meaning. Then A1 question, then A2, and one extra question I will give you, which will be based on this chapter, not from the book. Okay. So A1, complete the following sentences in your own words. 1. The machine that the narrator showed his friends was different from the model he had shown them earlier, as it was 20 times larger. 2. The chair was special as it takes us to the past or future. 3rd, the narrator invited his friends to test the chair after a week. 4th, when the narrator sat in the chair for the first test flight, the time was 19 minutes past 4. 5th, the first flight took him more than 5 hours into the future. By mentioning the blinking of lights, the narrator wants to say that time was moving very quickly. Or you just simply write very quickly. The time was very fast. So your answer is, he wants to say that very quickly. Now question answers we have discussed on online classes also. Again through video I am telling you. Answer these questions. 1. You have given very nice answers. Now proper answers I am giving you. Where did the narrator want to travel to and why? So your answer will be, the narrator wanted to travel to future because it is the unknown that makes us interested the most, and we already know the incidents of the past. Question number 2. What instructions did the narrator give his maid? So your answer will be, the narrator gave few instructions to his maid on a note. He asked her to cook the best dinner she could make for his friends. Next week, he also handed her a note to give him when they arrived. The note was also said that he was sorry as unable to greet them, but he will join them soon. Now question number 3. How did the narrator work the machine? कैसे उसने वर्क किया था? The narrator worked very hard on the time machine as it was very delicate work, and he had to make sure that the size of the levers was just right to the smallest fraction of the inch. Yes, it was difficult to operate as the work was very delicate and it needs perfection. Otherwise, the machine will not work properly. Question number 4. What made the narrator think that his machine was a failure? How he came to know that machine was a failure? So this answer is big. Now I am reading the answer for you. When he sat on the time machine, it was 19 minutes past 4. He held his breath and pulled the lever down a tiny bit. But it was like that he was falling from endless space. His stomach squeezed into his throat. He quickly stopped the lever. He saw everything at its own place. पूरा workshop, it was it's properly placed. No tools were scattered. Nothing was disturbed. He thought his machine was a failure. Now he was not right, as he come to know that the lot of time was spent on the machine. By looking on the clock, he came to know the time is more than he traveled. And he came to know that he traveled 5 hours more than expected. Okay, through windows and outside scene, he came to know the time was spent very much and the machine was not a failure. Fifth, though the narrator could see the maid working, why could she not see him? As the machine was swaying very fast. Okay? So the maid was unable to see him. Sixth, what did the windows darkening and brightening signify? What it signifies? It signifies that many days were passed and the scene outside the windows grows dark, then it brightened, then it darkened again. Days went by like blinking of lights. So fast it was. Okay. 7. Why did he pull hard at the lever? What happened as a result of this? Okay. He pulled the lever hard and everything became a blur. He was enjoying the world outside and it was the world of wonders. Suddenly he looked at the dials of the time machine, which told him that the speed of the machine was very fast and how far he was traveled now. In shock and situation of panic, he pulled the lever hard. As a result of this, the machine tipped over and he was thrown from the seat. Okay. Now question number 8. Why was the narrator make his remark? A fine welcome, a man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit and this is the greeting he gets. Now why he said like this? So your answer will be, the narrator was stunned and found himself on the green grass and heard thunderclaps and got a shower of hailstones. It was impossible to see even. So in the shocked situation, he muttered these words, a fine welcome. A man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit and this is the greeting he gets. Okay. So now we have discussed all the 8 questions. Okay. Now let us come to the book exercises. On page number 50, question number B2, it is on vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with the right words from this given in the brackets. The same spellings, same pronunciation is same, spellings is different and you have to think which will suit the answer. For example, 1. There was no water in the tank because my mother had forgotten to pull the lever. 2 answers are there, lever, your body part, and this lever. Spelling is different but pronunciation is same. So here we are discussing about machine. So answer lever will come, machine wala. The wind blew away her blue dress. Blue color and blue. You know? So which will come? Wind ka when we talk about wind, so blue, and what color of the dress is blue. 3rd, it takes an hour by bus to reach my school. Hour and OUR hour. Hour means hamara and hour means time. So you have to see the situation of the word which will suit the sentence. Sita has a lot of loose change in her tiny purse which can easily lose. Okay, 5th. The salesman will quote a high price for this coat. Coat means pehne wala. So you have to see the answer. Apply some ointment to lessen the pain. Lessen means pain को कम करना और एक आपका ही lesson, chapter को भी हम lesson बोलते हैं. So according to sentence and meaning, lesson will come, pain wala. Okay, then come to page number 51. So here are the blanks. You have the adverbs of manner. In this slow का ly लगाएंगे slowly. So it adverb, you know, quality of verb, and in some verb we add ly to make it adverb of manner. ठीक है. So C1 is, you have to search ly adverb and underline the words. That I will send you through pics. Only 2-3 are there. Now C2, fill in the blanks, and now verb is given in the bracket. You have to add ly, change its form and use it as adverbs of manner. The road was scarcely to, I am giving you the only blanks answers. He did the work as carefully. Careful का carefully, scarce का scarcely, easy का easily, true का truly बनेगा, noisily, slowly, clearly. Sentence you can read yourself, no problem. Okay, I have changed the verbs and told you the form of it. ठीक है. The road was scarcely visible in the fog. He did not work as carefully. The school team won the game easily. The view from my window is truly. Children chattered noisily. Mother asked the driver to drive slowly. The sums were explained very clearly. So I have changed the adverbs of manner. Now question number C3 is, answer the following question by using the verb, correct form of verb in the bracket. Okay, swift is given, you have to change into swiftly, and you have to frame the questions. Okay, and questions are given, so you have to frame the answers. We can ask you vice versa. So one they have done for you. Second, how does Smriti dance? So आपको डांस का ब्रैकेट में दिया है graceful. So you have to change graceful into gracefully, and you have to frame the sentences. She dances gracefully. How does Anita do her work? The answer was given neat, so you have to change into neatly. Anita does her work neatly. Fourth one, how does Anshul sing? Melodious is given in the bracket. Anshul sings melodiously. How does Priyanka laugh? Loud. So Priyanka laughs loudly. The sixth is, the machine works smoothly. And softly, you know the meaning of softly. The breeze blows softly. How does the rain fall? Heavily. The rain falls heavily. In the same words we have to use in C4, fill in the blanks. Okay. So I am reading the sentences and I will send you pics also. Through pics you can complete your book exercises, and I am reading the sentences. I think this is the last exercise we have to do. Otherwise then we have completed the chapter. The rest one you can leave. No use of doing that work. So C4, I am reading you sentences in a hurry. Okay, because simple, only the answers are given in the bracket. You have to choose and add ly to change into adverbs. The crows cawed noisily. Ritu wrote down the number quickly. The chef cooked a meal for all of us so carefully. Bulbul painted the flower pots beautifully. The little boy went to school cheerfully. The knife went through the butter smoothly. The old woman accepted my help gratefully. The lady shouted at the thief angrily. Rubina danced at the concert skillfully. ठीक है. So you can, आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Rubina danced at the concert beautifully और बुलबुल painted the flower pots skillfully. जो जिस पे सूट होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने आपको ये बोला तो आप इस पे करें. ठीक है ना. ये दो में आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. Otherwise also they have fixed place. So according to the sentences I have chosen my answers. But 9 and आपका 4th you can change also. No, their meaning is same. So in this way we have completed the chapter. I hope you understood nicely, and I will show you the pattern of classwork so that you can complete your work. Till then, have a nice day. Next video will be on your grammar portion. Okay, on Tuesday you will get the video of grammar. Until then, you complete your notebook. Have a nice day. Good day.